Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but
how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome. New old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. As you guys can see in the title today, it is a haul we've never done on this channel. I'm trying to branch away from, you know, Fashion Nova and Shein. I'll still bring you guys that, but I want to be branching out to other companies now and see where we go from there. So where we're branching out today is the H&M haul. I love me some H&M, man. For real, I love me H&M. At some point, their sizes didn't even fit, even when I was, you know, my same size everywhere else. But then you go to H&M, you buy the same size, and it's like you went to size too small. But now I guess they made their size pretty well for everybody. You know, us with the curvy body and all that good stuff, we can now shop at H&M. So I went into H&M and I bought me a couple of stuff. So I'm like, okay, let me come and show you guys some things that I got. I did get all these things online in the store, but I definitely know they always have their stuff online also. So don't worry, I got you guys in the description box. I will definitely link everything that I can find in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Alright, if you want to see what I got from H&M, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so I took everything out of the box. I'm gonna show you guys and then I'll go ahead and try it on for you guys. There's no extra video today. Everything is gonna be in one set of video. So this is this dress that I got right here. I really like it. It's cute, it's nice. It's just a regular old dress. It's very cute. It does come with a zipper. You guys know there ain't no description for it, but if I can find it online, I'll put it on the screen for you guys. It comes with a v-neck and I like the color. So without further ado, let's put this on and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is this one right over here. Really cute, really nice. I wish I've gotten a small though. I wish I have gotten it in a small, because you guys see how much space. It does have a little bit of stretch to it, but yeah, it's not bad. It's cute or whatever. I could make it work. I could make it work. It's really, really cute. I love the sleeve. I love how simple it is, and I love how just honestly really cute and really simple it is. Like, all you need is a nice beautiful pair of heels and you are good to go. Okay, yeah, the next thing that I got, it is this simple shirt right over here. I love shirts like this because I could just wear something I have on right now and just pop this on, wear my sandal with it, with a crossbody bag, and I'm ready to go. And things like this I do wear it to work also, and I'll just wear like a vest or something like that on it. It is brown, as you guys can see. The material is those linen crunchy material right there. It does come with a cuff up at the bottom. Let me pop this on real quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is this shirt right over here. I really like it. I like the way it's so simple and so cute. Something like this, I'll put it on, put a nice pair of pants with it, and I am ready to go to work. I really like this, and if I want to go out with it, I could also still style it up and make it look cute, really nice. The pants I'm wearing with it, I will show you guys later in the video. It's also from H&M in this haul also. So yeah, it's really cute and really nice. I like the length and I like the side situation going on with it right over here. You guys can see that. I really like that. It gives it a really cute sexiness to it. You could just like go ahead and tuck one side in. You guys see that? You could go ahead this way, just change. If you want to wear it out, just leave some buttons open put on a nice pair. Oh my god, I kind of try to like it like this. Okay, these two is bought separately, but I bought them specifically to wear them together or wear them separate. It depends on how I feel with the way I'm about to put it on for you guys right now. If it looks good, that'll be perfect. I'll be able to wear both of them together, and if not, I'll just wear them with something else. So it is this two right over here. First of all, let's talk about the top. It's pretty simple top off the shoulder. It's very stretchy. I got it also in a size medium, and I'm hoping it fits the way I want it to fit. It's a crop top. Some simple, some nice. You can wear this with the high-waisted pants. You could wear this with the shorts and a skirt and all that good stuff, and you'll be cute. It does have this little lettuce sleeve right over here. Really cute off the shoulder. And then I got this pants also to go with it. It's like a I think they call it gingrich or a gingrich. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that is what this one is. Really cute also. I got it in a size medium, and it has quite a lot of stretch to it. It will fit me. I could just see that it will fit me. Hopefully it holds my waist. It gives me more waist than I thought hoping it would give. And it does come with the slit in front of it right over there, which I think it will make it look really, really sexy. I hope they both look the way I want them to look on me when I put it on. I just think it is so effing cute. Really, really cute. I love the length it's giving me right now, but hopefully when I put it on, it will still give me this kind of length also. So let me pop it on real quick, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on me. Okay guys, this is this two right over here. You guys remember the white shirt that I just showed you guys, and then this pant right over here. The only thing, let's talk about the shirt first. It's cute, it's nice, it's very, very stretchy right over here. So I feel like a small would be perfect. It does have that, and it does also have this. The thing I noticed about this is I'm gonna be like fixing and fixing and fixing all day. I actually like this. Way, like freaking way off the shoulder situation kind of work. I feel like it's, I don't know. Yeah. Alright, so I kind of like it actually. It's not bad, but I feel like I'm gonna be doing this literally all day. I'm gonna be pulling it down because it's so damn big on my shoulder. Actually, that's cute. I really like this. Oh, it's cute though. It's really cute with a nice high-waisted pants. Come closer because it's white, as you all know. Yeah, because it's white. This is what it looks like literally on me, off the shoulder. I like it. It's simple, it's cute. I could put this on with a nice, like this pants that I have on right now. You guys remember I showed you guys this pants also. I thought I'll be able to wear heels with this, but the way it is right now, absolutely not. Absolutely freaking not. But I'll keep it. You understand what I'm saying? I'll keep it. I'll wear flat with it. That's cool. That's fine. I don't mind. Yeah, it could be something simple to go catch drink. I could wear it just like this with a flat, with a nice sandal and a crossbody bag, and we are good to go. Okay, y'all, another one that I got is a long dress. I love this kind of dress, this shirt dress right here. I have a couple of them in my closet. I love them. It's something I could just pop on and be out the door. You could dress this up or dress this down. I really, really like this. The way I be dressing this one is sometimes I wear heels with it, like a mule sandal. I wear them with this, and I'll wear my nice purse with it and either go to lunch, to dinner, to brunch with my girls or my hubby sometimes. And yeah, this is so cute, real nice. Everything that I got is in a size medium. This is in a size medium, and I think a small of this will probably fit, but I really want the length. I want it to be a little bit long, so when I put it on, I could leave this like the last two buttons open, and we'll see how that goes. Let me pop this on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is this other shirt dress. Really cute, really nice. I love things like this because I'm a kind of girl, I like my dress to like, or anything that I have on to like suck me in and tight me up, okay? Like show every curve in my body, show all my lumps and my damn dumps, okay? Show everything. I'm a kind of girl, but things like this I really, really like. I like the length. I wish I stick to my small instead of this medium. As you guys can see, it is very, very oversized. Like very, very oversized, really big, really roomy, and really free. Something like this. I would love to wear a chunky heel with this. I don't have any. I have one coming up, so I might start this one in my next styling video. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. I really, really like it. And if you think it is too big, all you have to do is put a nice belt with this. Leave this open at the bottom and just, you know, give yourself a little bit of sexiness and really cute, really nice. Something like this I'll wear it to brunch. Something like this I'll wear it to like a business meeting and things like that. I love it. Okay guys, the next thing that I got is this beautiful blazer right over here. You guys see the color. Purple is my favorite color, by the way. So this is giving me like a very, very light purple, pinkish kind of style going on. Really cute. If you watch a couple of my videos back, I told you guys blazer is one thing that I can never do without in my closet. I love me some blazers. Blazer, you could just pop it up because at my workplace, I love to wear blazer to work or every time. So this will work perfectly well. With this, I could wear me a plain old black outfit at the bottom, like a sleeveless jumpsuit, okay? Sleeveless jumpsuit with this, and then pop this on, and I think it would look really, really cute on me. Let me pop this on also, and I will show you guys what it looks like. Okay, y'all, this is the blazer. I love the way it fit me. It looks really cute, really nice. Love the color on me. Something like this, I would not button it up. I would just leave it just exactly the way it is. Wear a nice blazer, a nice cami under it, a nice shirt under it, and I think you'll be good to go. Right now I'm just trying on for you guys with my bra on, and I kept the same pants, and I think it looks cute together. Oh no, not bad, but I feel like it's not bad at all. I could pull this up with a nice brown sandal, nice cute purse, and I think this should work. I think, I don't know. Y'all tell me in the comment section, let me know if this work together. If not, I don't have to wear them together. So I don't mind it. It's really cute. It does have a nice collar lapel thingy going on right there. So cute. Can't complain. I like it. Love it. Yeah. But this is cute though. I like it. It's not bad at all. I also got this shirt right here. It's like a silky material, really cute, really nice. Something like this. I also pop it on for work, or to go catch a drink with a nice shorts, tuck half of it in, or tuck both of them in into a nice cute pants. Looking cute. It is sleeveless, so I could wear this now, or I could wear this during the cold weather, like a fall, wear a sweater on the inside, like a needed like something simple, sleeveless, sweaterish shirt like that. Wear it and your hand is hanging out with a nice pair of pants and nice pair of boots, and you are good to go. This is also a size medium. Really cute. It's a high-low kind of situation going on. You guys see the front is high, low, and then the back is really high. I like this. Also really cute, really nice. Let's pop it on and see what it looks like. Okay, y'all, this is this shirt right over here. You guys remember that shirt that I just showed you guys? Really cute, really nice. Something like this. I also wear it to work or wear it to go chill. I try to like it with this pants actually. I like it the way I really like it with this pants actually. Wear a nice sandal with this, a nice slippers with this, and you are good to go. I really like it. Really cute, really nice, simple. If you want to dress it down, just tie it up here and you are good to go. If not, you all right, put one side of the shirt inside your pants. You guys could do the design the way people do the design, where the each button into different holes. And yeah, really cute. I'm a kind of person, when I'm going out and I have a button shirt on, I don't button the whole thing. I either do one or two and then leave the rest open. I don't have a lot of tatas, but the little one I have, I like it to show a little bit, This is cute. Also, actually, I'll go to work like this on a Thursday or on a Friday with my flat and stuff. And yeah, I will go to work like this. I mean, if I go to work with this shirt, I'll definitely put a button to it. But if I decide to go out later in the evening, I'll just, take the buttons off and just, get dressed to go to happy hour and all that good stuff. But I think it looks cute and it looks really, really good. I like it. It's boxy, as you guys can see. The sleeve is like those drop shoulder. Okay, y'all, I bought this dress and I kind of like it. It's like a zebra print situation going on. I love it. You guys see the sleeve? Like, the sleeve is everything. Really cute, really nice. It doesn't have any stretch to it. So, and it doesn't have a zipper or anything, so you have to just put it on and go. So I decided to get in a large. The reason why I got in a large is my hips, okay, and my bum, okay. I don't want it to be too tight, but I know once I put this on, it's gonna be so loose on my waist. So I don't know, I hope it looks good by the time I try it on and it gives me what I'm going for, because something like this I could wear it and wear those chunky heels with it and it will be good to go. It does come with the v-neck. I really like that. Really cute. It's not too long and it's not too short, so just like this you could wear it like a good function. You could wear this to church and all that good stuff, and if not, you could just add like a nice beautiful belt with it and you are good to go. So let's see what it looks like on. Okay, y'all, this is this zebra dress right over here. Like I suggested, the waist was going to be big. Yeah, y'all see the waist? This is the way it looks like on the back. Nah, baby, nah, I need it to be a little bit like this, yay much snug in the middle part, so I can like it much better. I mean, it's something I could just put a belt with and move along, but I don't want to be wearing belt. Anytime I wear it out, I don't want to wear belts with it every time, so I just want to wear it as a dress. I love the sleeve. I love the v-neck. I love, why is it she's an embroidery though? I love the v-neck situation going on right here, and as you guys know on this channel, if you're new here, welcome. But we love exaggerated sleeve on this channel, so this sleeve is what got me with this dress in the first place. I should have honestly gotten me my medium, but the thing about it is if I get a medium, it will be like extremely tight right over here. I could just feel it because this one fits the way it's supposed, the way I would like the medium to fit. So it fit me perfectly, but the waist area, baby, I need it like this. I need it like this, like, yeah. So I need to take it to a seamstress that would get it snatched and much smarter on the body. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you guys watch it all the way to the end, you guys are the real MVP. Don't forget to check description box. I'm going to link everything that I can, and if I can't see anything, something similar, I would definitely link it in the description box, so don't skip it. Alright guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because what? Because God got your back. Mwah.